you don't have any wind currents, you can teach kids about waves. And you're like, oh, like high frequency things have like a bunch of little flame spikes.
And the higher the volume, the more it's going to push through. So usually the kids want to play like some kind of dubstep or something. And as soon as it goes through, all the flames get pushed out because it's just like whoosh, and it just takes them all out. But other things with more tones in them, like jazz.
Dude, some jazz.
Look really cool.
Miles Davis.
So if you want to build your own, it's pretty easy to do. It's called
really
a Rubens tube, so you can just Google it. But basically we just drilled little holes in the top of this, and we've got 2 propane tanks going in, and you could potentially scale this up
Big.
pretty big. Yeah, I'd love to see one with speakers that were about like...
I've seen a 40-footer before, which was pretty cool because you could get really low frequencies with no wave. And it's really cool. It's a whole lot better than teaching the kids about frequencies with like a chalkboard because it's on freaking fire. They listen.
And people, all the kids are as quiet as you guys are right now, like, for an hour. Which,
And you look at kids' faces and they're like this.
yeah. All right. We got
Okay, so you guys like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So Amy and I entered a little competition with our kids 2 years ago called Battle of the Brains down at Union Station. And this was an exhibit that we proposed as a piece of a 3-part exhibit. And we have a little problem with fire code and people understanding what this is because they want to think it's like cooking. And so we have a portable one that was built for our exhibit. Our kids won the first So it's down in Science City. This is a temporary portable exhibit because they can't have it running all the time. But our exhibit is all about generating energy and what energy is and energy generation. So there's actually some science in Science City now. We like it. It's really cool. It's called Unplugged. So our kids exhibit is down there. And there's actually a 2-dimensional one of these that's built into the top of a piano. So you get the waves going
this organ.
An organ, I'm sorry. It's going this way and this way. But the metal gets so hot that it dips, and so, anyway. It's not a permanent exhibit, but we think it's cool. So we brought this, and I want our kids to enter again, because I want to do something about light next time. So I want one the whole length of my backyard, so Susan, can we do that in our neighborhood?
Yeah, 2 backyards.
Susan's my neighbor. So anyway, okay, so if you like this, do you want to see something else? I know it's fire, but it's cool. Okay, all right, we'll do something else.